add Zizyphus to your henna hair dye recipe? That's one of the great questions that we got this week that we're going to get into this weekly series of Ask Henna Sooq. So welcome to the Hennasooq channel. My name is Khadija. I am a leading henna hair color expert and Ayurvedic hair care specialist, and I specialize also in henna and jaguar body art as well. And if you have a pressing question that you need an answer to like right now, then all you have to do is go to hennasooq.com. We have a live chat feature where you can reach one of our experts and get your questions answered right on the spot. But remember, when you post your questions down below in these comments though, you might get specially selected to be part of this video series and get an answer directly from me. First question comes from Heather Mayweather, and they ask, I like using prepackaged masks like goddess hair, casein curls and moisture, hibiscus restorative, and I have positive results. Do you have plans to make and sell a prepackaged ready-to-use Cheve mask? Yes, absolutely. We have that in the works. You're gonna absolutely love it. It is coming soon. It's infused with amazing oils, butters, and it's gonna be so easy to use. You guys are just gonna go crazy over it. And it's gonna be coming October, November, so stay tuned for that. Question number 2 comes from the Aurora Codes, and they ask, if I don't have aloe vera or fenugreek to use in my henna recipe, can I use Zizyphus instead? Well, the thing is, Zizyphus isn't moisturizing enough, so the key thing with using aloe vera powder or like even that fenugreek, right, is about elevating the moisture in your henna hair dye recipe. So that's the purpose of it. So Zizyphus isn't going to be moisturizing like aloe and fenugreek can be. Even though aloe's the first one that you should go to, if you can use aloe, that would be great. That would be a perfect herb for moisture, and you don't need a whole lot either. So I would recommend that for sure over Zizyphus, because Zizyphus is just gonna like cut the color, and yeah, it's not gonna really give you the same color results at all. Question number 3 comes from Tennis Pie 79, and they ask, what would you add to henna to get a very pale yellow color on 100% white hair? So typically that'll be cassia. You're gonna add a lot of cassia, especially if you want a pale yellow color. Like, I don't even know if you need the henna really, because the henna is gonna pull a little reddish. So cassia would be your best bet. And then, you know, using so much more cassia, like really like 90% or more, really minimal henna. And what you could do is put it on for a minimal amount of time, like really even 10 minutes. You could get a really pale yellow tone in your hair. And it's, in general, like when you leave coloring herbs in your hair like less time, it's definitely gonna like not like push it to be like, you know, darker or brighter. So if you wanna get like less color, then definitely leave it in for a short period of time. Yeah, so a short period of time for sure. And if you want it a little bit darker, then you could just do like a second application of that to get it a little bit darker. That'll help a lot. So I want to thank you guys for tuning in to another Ask Henna Sooq. Every week we got these great videos with answers for you. And also just stay tuned because we have more coming for you guys, especially as these holidays are rolling up. There's gonna be so many special like events and just a lot of surprises for you this season. We got so many new things coming up. Don't forget, I want to choose one of your questions, so make sure you post it below as well, and I'll definitely look forward to choosing your question so I can answer it next week. See you guys.